We have drastically reduced the amount of overdoses, and clearly we are investing in this space because we know people are dying.
In tonight's Future of Seattle report, Mayor Bruce Harrell wants to increase funding and expand a crisis intervention team that has handled thousands of low-risk mental health calls in place of police. Hi, everybody. Glad you're with us. I'm Michelle Esteban. KOMO's Tyler Cunnington joins me now live with more from that big call for that big investment. Tyler.
Yeah, Michelle, just as you're saying, this would be a big-time investment. We're talking tens of millions of dollars to go towards the Community-Assisted Response and Engagement, or CARE department for the city of Seattle. This is something that leaders say they need to continue to invest in after seeing some success over its last 2 years since it started. And this is something that businesses near downtown are mixed on when it comes to that work actually paying off.
The size of the team.
Mayor Bruce Harrell is calling for a $40 million investment into the CARE department. Created back in 2023, it focuses on outreach for mental health calls and addiction-related issues.
Our approach prioritizes treatment and recovery over criminalization, creating pathways out of crisis.
Harrell wants to double the staffing from 26 members to 52 in 2026. The CARE department chief, Amy Barden, says despite seeing success with thousands of calls, they need more boots on the ground.
What we need to do is treat the human suffering like the emergency that it is.
$1.5 million would also go towards the Seattle Fire Department's post-overdose response team, one that is always working.
We are currently responding to more than 60 patients each week.
Businesses like DeLeo Bros Pizza in Pioneer Square say they've met 2 CARE team members and they would support further funding.
Some scenes have become a bit more expressive than usual, but usually it's just yelling.
For others, yelling has escalated to much more. Video from Mediterranean Mix in August, a fixture on First Avenue since 2000, shows this man walking up along the sidewalk, cursing at a random family before throwing a chair inside to where they were sitting.
We need police station here, 24 hours.
Owner Atman Bazaz admits that man certainly needed some help, but he thinks adding tens of millions of dollars to the budget won't stop the issues of addiction at its core.
It's contagious, and they bring in more people, and they're never going to stop. And guess who's losing? Taxpayer money and business like us.
Now, it is worth adding, we talked to a group of people there on the sidewalk near Pioneer Square. They actually live in the area. They say they love the CARE team, and they think that the work they've seen them doing has been incredibly impactful. On the flip side of that, the proposal that Mayor Harrell was talking about would also help fund nearly $4 million to helping add 20 more fire recruits for Seattle's fire department. Reporting live here in Seattle tonight, Tyler Cunnington, KOMO News.